In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import an XML surface into Civil 3D. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a LandXML surface into the drawing you're working on, so you can start analyzing elevations, building contours, and coordinating with your team without hassle. First, open your Civil 3D drawing. Make sure you're in the file where you actually want the surface to live, whether that's a project-based drawing, a template-driven file, or a working model. Opening the right drawing up front avoids the need to copy or move surfaces later. Give the file a moment to load any styles or references it uses so that when the surface arrives, it displays as expected. Next, go to the Insert tab, then look for the Import panel and choose LandXML. You'll find the Insert tab on the ribbon across the top of the Civil 3D interface. The Import panel groups the commands that bring external data into your drawing, and the LandXML option is specifically designed for industry-standard LandXML files. LandXML is a widely used exchange format for civil data, especially surfaces, so this route preserves critical information like triangles, break lines, and boundaries when they're included in the file. Now browse and select your XML, also known as a LandXML file. In the File dialog, navigate to the folder where your surface was exported or shared. You may see files with the .xml or .landxml extension. Both are commonly used for this purpose. Choose the correct file and confirm your selection. Civil 3D will read the file and prepare the contents for import. Depending on the file, you might see information about what's contained in it, such as one or more surfaces. This is helpful context because LandXML can store multiple civil objects, but for our purpose, we're focusing on the surface data included in that file. After you select the file, Civil 3D processes the import and places the surface into your open drawing. You should see the surface appear using your current drawing styles, which control how contours, triangles, and labels look. If the surface is large, allow a moment for it to display fully. From here, you can continue with your normal workflow, reviewing elevations, generating profiles, or coordinating with other design elements. Knowing the surface is now part of your drawing. That's it. Open your drawing, use Insert on the ribbon to access the LandXML import, and select your XML file. Keep your LandXML files organized, use clear naming so you can recognize the right surface at a glance, and you'll streamline the import every time. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you work faster and more confidently in Civil 3D.